row your boat gently down the stream, past the trees and rainbow fish gliding through a dream. Paddle left and paddle right, watch the stars begin to gleam, every splash a song of light in this floating dreamer's team. Row your boat, don't go fast, enjoy the ride, make magic last. Sing your song, the water knows where your happy spirit goes. Row, row, row your boat to lands of wonder and delight, where dreams set sail in morning light. Wave to turtles, tip your hat, drift along where dolphins chat, pass a whale who hums a tune underneath the sleepy moon. Through the lily pads we steer, with dragonflies who twirl so near. There's always something to explore. If you find a waterfall, slide right down and laugh with all. If the wind begins to blow, just raise your sail and let it go. Now